What is a press brake? Press brakes are essential equipment for forming sheet metals. They also serve as a core component in the sheet metal fabrication process. A press brake is a mechanical device that uses coordinated dies to apply pressure, plastically deforming sheet metal into desired shapes or angles. Frame a body, the main structural framework that bears the processing load. Ram performs vertical movement to drive the upper die during bending. Working table supports the lower die and the workpiece. Synchronization system ensures balanced ram movement. Back gauge enables precise positioning of the sheet metal. Dies directly determine the bending shape and angle, used in combination with both upper and lower dies. A press brake operated by plastically deforming sheet metal, using dies to apply pressure and force it into a V-shaped groove for permanent shape change. The primary steps are: set up, install the dies and input the bending program. Positioning, secure the workpiece against the backstop for accurate placement. Bending, the ram descends, pressing the sheet into the lower D's groove to achieve plastic deformation. Compensation, the CNC system automatically corrects for springbacks. Completion, the ram retracts and the finished workpiece is removed. There are many types of press brakes. Mechanical, driving method, flywheel plus clutch, suitable for high volume, single angle bending. Hydraulic, driving method, hydraulic cylinder drive, suitable for multi-purpose sheet metal processing. CNC Hydraulics, driving method, hydraulic plus CNC system, suitable for automotive, aerospace, precision sheet metal. Selecting a pressed brake requires consideration of processing requirements, tonnage, control systems, and die configurations. The press brake is an indispensable core piece of equipment in modern sheet metal processing. If you need to select a press brake that suits your factory and workshop, you can contact us at WMT CNC.